Welcome. Let's explore the roles and rules of cricket. Cricket is played on an oval field with a rectangular pitch in the center. The pitch is where most of the action happens. The pitch is a 22-yard strip where the bowler delivers the ball and the batter tries to score runs. Cricket is played between two teams. One team bats first while the other bowls and fields. Then they switch roles. The batsman's goal is to hit the ball and score runs while protecting the wickets behind them. The bowler throws the ball toward the batsman, trying to hit the wickets or force a mistake. The wicketkeeper stands behind the batter, ready to catch the ball and attempt stumpings or run-outs. Fielders help the bowler by catching the ball, stopping runs, and attempting run-outs. They play a key role in defense. Batsmen score runs by hitting the ball and then running between the two wickets, trying to reach the opposite end of the pitch safely before the fielders can return the ball to hit the stumps. A 4 is when the ball rolls to the boundary. A 6 is when it flies over the boundary without touching the ground. A batter is considered bowled out when the ball delivered by the bowler strikes the stumps and knocks the bails off, ending the batter's time at the crease. A batter is out if a fielder catches the ball directly off the bat before it touches the ground, showing quick reflexes and good fielding. A batter is run out if the fielding team hits the stumps with the ball before the batter safely reaches the crease during a run. LBW, or leg before wicket, happens when the batter's leg blocks a ball that the umpire believes would have gone on to hit the stumps. A wide ball is a delivery that is too far from the batter to reasonably hit, and it gives the batting team an extra run and an additional delivery in the over. Cricket is a fun and strategic team sport. Hope you enjoy playing it. Welcome. Let's explore the roles and rules of cricket.